Hello everyone, this is Sodor Wooden Tales here with another review. Today's review is going to be on the Demolition team. So I'm going to start opening it. So I got this for my birthday from my mom. So thankfully she got it for me. I haven't opened it for a few days because I've been busy. So if you haven't heard, I got this from my mom for my birthday. It was nice of her. And I haven't opened it for a few days because I was busy with other stuff. So here they are. Let's start with Scruffy. Now, I honestly like the design. It's pretty cool. He carries TNT or dynamite. And then if you push this button right here, pops out. Here's the dynamite. It's pretty cool. To reload it, all you have to do is just push it in. And then it stays. The next car we had is a Blue Mountain Quarry car. Pretty cool. Surprising that they matched these two up together. You would never expected that. But yeah, guys, there's not a lot to say about these. They're pretty cool. You know, Scruffy's back. New Scruffy. I like the design. It's pretty cool. You know, more rolling stock. I like this car too. It's pretty cool too. So yeah, that's that. Here's the underside of Scruffy too. That's the Demolition team. That's the back. Not a whole lot to say about these, in my opinion. I think they're pretty good. So yeah. If you have enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. And yeah, that's basically it for this review. I hope you guys have a very happy 4th of July. And this is Sodor Wooden Tales out. Thanks for watching.